Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Dr. Nick Brown channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for businesses of all sizes, creating a sound marketing plan. Whether you're a small startup or a seasoned corporation, a well thought out marketing plan is crucial for success. In this video, we're going to be going through the steps of creating an effective marketing plan in just 5 minutes. So, hey, let's get started. The first step in creating a marketing plan is to define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your marketing plan efforts? These goals should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relative, and time bound. Step 2, know your audience. Next, you need to understand your target audience. Who are your ideal customers? What are their demographics, their interests, and their pain points? Knowing your audience helps you tailor your marketing strategy effectively. Perform a competitive analysis. Identify your competitors, analyze their strengths and their weaknesses, and understand their marketing strategies. This will help you find opportunities for you to stand out. Choose your marketing channel. Selecting the marketing channels that align with your audience and goals. This could include social media, email marketing, content marketing, SEOs, paid advertisement, or some combination of any of these. Each channel has its own strengths, so choose wisely. Develop a content plan that outlines the types of content that you'll create and share with your chosen channel. This could be blogs, posts, videos, infographics, or podcasts. Make sure your content is valuable to your audience. Step 6, set a budget. Determine your marketing budget. Allocate funds to different marketing activities based on their potential ROI. Remember, marketing is an investment in your business's growth. Step 7, create a timeline. Creating a marketing calendar or timeline specifies when you're going to execute the marketing activities. This helps you stay organized and ensures consistent communication with your audience. Step 8, implement and measure. Now it's time to execute your plan. Start implementing your marketing strategies and closely monitor their performance. Use analytic tools to track metrics like website traffic, conversation rates, and social media engagement. Step 9, adjust and optimize. Based on the data you collected, adjust your marketing plan as needed. Identify what's working and what's not, and optimize your strategy accordingly. This is an important process and key to long-term success. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes, we've covered the essential steps to creating a marketing plan. Remember, a well-crafted marketing plan is a roadmap to success for your business. So next time you plan, execute, and adapt as you go along. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.